Welcome back to the unknown. The universe is vast, ancient, and full of wonders we still cannot explain. We look at the stars and believe we understand how they move, how they form, how they die. But sometimes, space whispers something different, something that does not fit any rule we know. One of those whispers is called the dark flow. It is a silent motion that stretches across billions of light years, a mysterious current pulling galaxies towards something we cannot see. It defies our maps, our math, and perhaps even our understanding of reality itself. The story begins with light, the oldest light in existence, the cosmic microwave background. It is the faint afterglow left behind by the birth of the universe nearly 14 billion years ago. Scientists study that glow to understand how matter spread through space after the Big Bang. They expect to see randomness, gentle variations of temperature and motion. Yet in 2008, data from NASA's Wilkinson Microwave Anisotropy Probe revealed something else. Clusters of galaxies were not drifting randomly at all. Instead, hundreds of them were moving together in the same direction, toward the edge of the known universe. That strange movement was named the dark flow. Imagine billions of suns bound together in galaxies, and those galaxies grouped into enormous clusters. Now imagine those clusters sliding through space as if caught in an invisible current. The force driving them is unknown. It is not gravity from any nearby structure. It is not the expansion of the universe itself. Something beyond the observable universe seems to be pulling them, like a hand reaching out from the dark. Scientists measured the speed of this motion. It was astonishing. Nearly 1,000 kilometers per second, far greater than expected. The direction pointed roughly toward the constellations of Centaurus and Hydra, far beyond the limits of our cosmic horizon. And that is where the mystery deepens, because we cannot see beyond that horizon. Light from that distance has not had time to reach us since the beginning of time. Whatever lies there is hidden forever, yet its influence appears to reach across all of space. Some astronomers believe this could be the gravitational pull of something unimaginably large, a supercluster, or a wall of mass that exists outside the part of the universe we can observe. Others whisper of something stranger, the possibility of another universe entirely. If the multiverse exists, then our universe might not be alone. Another universe could be pressing against ours, warping space, bending gravity, and creating a flow that we can only detect through the motion of galaxies. In this view, the dark flow is a cosmic footprint, a scar from where two universes brushed against each other in the deep past. It is a haunting thought. Every star we see might be drifting because of something we will never see. Every planet, every galaxy, even our own Milky Way, may be sliding slowly toward a cosmic frontier we cannot cross. Not everyone agrees the dark flow is real. Some scientists argue it is an illusion, a trick of the data. Later missions, like the Planck satellite, tried to test the results. Some analyzers found weaker evidence. Others still found hints that something strange was there. The debate continues, quiet but persistent, echoing through research papers and observatories. Even if the data were flawed, the question remains. Why do large regions of the universe seem to drift together? Why does motion on such a scale even exist? Our laws of physics assume the universe is roughly the same in every direction. That assumption is called the cosmological principle, and it is the foundation of modern cosmology. If dark flow is real, that foundation might be cracked. It would mean that the universe is not uniform, not symmetrical, and perhaps not alone. Consider what that implies. If the cosmos has a direction, then maybe it has an outside. Maybe space itself is shaped by something larger, something we cannot yet comprehend. The dark flow could be the shadow of a greater structure beyond the veil, or the echo of a collision between worlds long before time began. Some physicists connect this mystery to string theory, where multiple universes form like bubbles in an infinite cosmic foam. Each bubble has its own laws of physics, its own version of reality. When two bubbles collide, they can leave behind distortions that ripple across space. Those ripples might survive as patterns of motion, perhaps even the dark flow. It is speculative, yet strangely poetic. Our universe could be one wave in a sea of universes, each one influencing the others in subtle ways. Others propose a simpler explanation. Maybe dark matter, the invisible substance that makes up most of the mass in the universe, is not evenly distributed. If enormous clumps of dark matter exist beyond our sight, they could be tugging on galaxy clusters like unseen anchors. But that only replaces one mystery with another. We still do not know what dark matter truly is. We only know it bends light, shapes galaxies, and refuses to reveal itself. If it also creates the dark flow, then the universe is hiding far more than we ever imagined. In recent years, new telescopes have tried to detect subtle hints of motion through the X-ray glow of galaxy clusters. The EROSITA telescope, launched from Germany and Russia, scans the sky for traces of that ancient movement. The James Webb Space Telescope, too, may one day contribute by measuring redshifts across distant regions, revealing patterns too faint for older instruments. So far, the results are mixed. Neither proof nor dismissal, only more questions. The deeper we look, the more uncertain the cosmos becomes. Our instruments grow sharper, yet the mysteries grow larger. Perhaps that is the nature of science itself. Each answer opens a door to 1,000 new questions. What if the dark flow is not a single phenomenon, but a symptom of something deeper? A sign that space itself is not stable, that it bends and swirls in ways we cannot yet describe. What if the universe is not expanding evenly, but rippling like the surface of an ocean? In that ocean, galaxies might drift as currents move through spacetime, guided by hidden tides of energy. The concept of dark flow touches something profound within us. It reminds us that we are small travelers in a vast unknown, that even as we map the stars and measure their motion, we are surrounded by forces that remain invisible and unexplained. Our universe is not silent. It hums, it flows, it breathes. And somewhere beyond our reach, something immense may be pulling all of it toward an unseen destination. We may never know what lies beyond that cosmic horizon. We may never see the source of the dark flow, or understand the power that drives it. Yet its existence, or even the possibility of it, challenges everything we believe about space, time, and the limits of human knowledge. Perhaps one day new technology will pierce the veil. Perhaps a future observer will find the truth. Or perhaps the dark flow will remain what it is today, a cosmic whisper from the edge of forever. Until then, we can only look to the night sky and wonder, is the universe drifting toward its destiny? Or is it being called home by something beyond creation itself? Maybe. In the end, we will never know.